Where's his gloves?
He took them off.
Hey, you found a necklace. Alright, look at that.
It was in snow. It was under my
Stop your feet.
Cool. Where'd you get it? Oh, are those new boots?
You gave me.
Those are the ones I gave you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Those are pretty decent.
Jojo, I know it.
Fine. Stop your feet. Sit down right there and take your boots off. Probably your pants off too. Take your pants off.
I think his shoes are soaking wet, Alicia.
Jojo?
Mhm.
Oh yeah, that's on there. Oh, they're not too bad.
Woo!
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I think they are. When he steps down, the water comes up like squeezing out a rag. Yeah, in fact, they're wet all the way up.
Jojo, come here.
They're absolutely soaked.
Come on. Let's get inside and get warm. Come on.
Cold.
Yeah, it's cold. Come on. Let's go get warmed up. Yeah.
See you later.